Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Stitch Summer surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Summer Stitch surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. Let's take our paper, line up the corners, fold it in half so it looks like a birthday card. Next, we're going to fold it in half one more time, giving it another fold so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when we open this up, we have these nice little guidelines that show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin by making a snow cone. So I want to start at the top. I want to make kind of like a wiggly line that's going to go up and down. So I'm just going to make kind of like a wiggly line. It's just going to come up and down. And then we're going to make like a V shape. So we're going to come down and then just go up for that kind of like the little part that the cone is. Then let's make some curved lines. I'm going to make a few little kind of curves, kind of at an angle like this, and we'll go right to there. Then I'm just going to make a couple little like wiggly lines in here for some detail. Now the next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our snow cone. So the first thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to bring this line up a little bit on each side. Then I'm just going to make a line across to connect them. Then I'm just going to continue this curve up here for the cone. Next, down here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then I'm just going to make a little wiggly line across. And then we want to make Stitch in here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with the nose. So right above the fold here, I'm going to make like a curved line across. And a line that's going to curve down and then up here. I'll make a curve here and a curve here. Let's make another little line above it. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out on each side for the sunglasses. Then I'm going to go down and up. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and then up. Let's make that same shape inside of here. So we're just going to go across, then we're going to go down and up. Same thing, let's go across, and then we're just going to go down and then up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. We'll put a couple little bumps, and then we're going to go down to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each side. Then let's bring this line up and then down to here for the mouth. I'm going to make some rounded, kind of pointed teeth a little bit in here. So we're just going to make some of these. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then kind of curve it right to there. Then I'm going to make a long tongue. So I'm going to make a big line. It's just going to kind of curve around, and then we're going to come back to here. And I'm going to curve this down. Next, we're going to put a couple little bumpy teeth here and a little line down. Now for the ears, I'm going to start over here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve out. It's going to come down. We'll go in and out, and then back here. Same thing here, we're just going to go up, come down, we'll go in and out, and then curve it down. Then I'll bring this line down, and I'll bring this line up and down. We'll make a line that curves down here, and then we'll go to here, jump over the tongue, and then bring it to here. Next, right here, I'm going to make this line come out, and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and 4 little fingers. And then I'm going to bring it back. Same thing here, come out, do 1, 2, 3, and then we'll stop right there. But then we can bring this line down here. I'm going to put a little claw on each finger. Then I'm going to put a circle here. And we'll put a oval shape right there. Then for the back of his mouth, let's make like a little oval shape like this. And we'll put a big circle in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a summer Stitch going after his snow cone. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.